Metaphysical Mama. How is everyone? Mountain Lion. I just figured I'd do a quick card reading. So number 17, Moose. Number 11, Badger. 29, also an 11. And a little skunky on the bottom. Number 7, which actually I've been doing some symbolism and numerology research upon the number 7. I asked my daughter the other day to give me 3 words to just, whatever, look into, do something on, and she said fire, butterfly, and 7. So if anybody wants to look into those, the etymology, metaphysical meanings, symbolism, etc., whatever is clever, whatever comes to you, whatever you're gravitated toward. I really operate in the, say, quantum realm, where that's what I'm, where my mind operates best. Look at that, those 2 fell. 11-11 rhymes with heaven. Heavy hitters. The weasel's on the bottom now. 3-3. I think there's some weasels outside my window. Horse. And that has to do with the 4 horsemen. Anybody seen that movie, Now You See Me? I love that movie. I watched it the other night because my boyfriend had never seen it, or he thought he didn't anyhow. And then last night, Now You See Me Part 2 was on, which I don't like that one as much. It's not my favorite. I like the first one way better. And they call themselves the 4 horsemen. And they're magicians, and they make it into Vegas doing, excuse me 1 second. I have little relaxation music with a fish scene on the back, but for some reason they have lots of commercials. Interrupts it. It's 11 out. It's like so pretty. The grouse. So I just the wolf, kind of go by what's popping out at me and allow, right? So I don't probably do card readings probably like anyone else. I don't think any of us do anything like anyone else, but I just really truly allow energy to speak to me naturally and kind of guide me, and right, I'll kind of allow it to open up like a book or a flower, right? Like a lotus flower. So it doesn't always mean what others are gonna say it means, right? And that's okay. That's why there's the phrase, a picture says 1,000 words. So whatever it means to you in that moment, that right arises, and then where it leads you and guides you, right, you have opportunity to make choices of where you want to direct your energy and allow it to accumulate, because energy flows where thought goes. Coyote. 13. Wolf again. I'm gonna see if I can pause this because I have a knock at my door.